Rob at Lukat Detail again, and I'm here doing an ugly car paint demonstration. Check this out. This is an old enamel. I mean, this thing is old. It never had a clear coat. We're gonna do a few different types of paint jobs here. We're gonna demonstrate this product. It's not a wax. This is actually a paint cleaner. The way it works is very, very simple, okay? When you use this product, okay, elbow grease is required because it's a paint cleaner. We don't recommend you use a machine unless if you really understand what this does. It's not a wax, so when you put this on, you're gonna rub back and forth. This is the polishing technique. The wax on, wax off, when you do the circles, that's how you wax. But in this case, we're gonna rub back and forth over the same spot until it clears up. Now keep in mind that this is an enamel, an old school single stage paint job, okay? These paint jobs, these old paint jobs, the ones before the clear coats, okay? You'll see color coming off, it's okay. It's designed to clean and not remove the good paint, because the good paint on these old paint jobs is very hard. This doesn't remove good hard paint. It removes the paint that's brittle, dead, and oxidized. So that spot you see right there, all I did was clean it. That's all I did. So this product, you can piecemeal it out. It is labor intensive, but guess what? It works. And because I'm not waxing this, I'm cleaning. You can do this in sections, get it done over a period of time, but it's permanent. So the oxidation that's coming off took 10, 15, 20 years to build on there, but buried underneath that oxidation is the original state of the paint job. That's why it's called the Color and Gloss Restore Polish. It brings it back. Look at that. Now, I always want to emphasize that this is not a wax, okay? So a lot of people will see this and they'll still think it's wax, but it's not wax, guys. It's a paint cleaner. So when you use this paint cleaner, listen to this. You can actually hear the oxidation. Get a little closer so they can hear that. You hear that? That's the sound of a dirty, old oxidized paint. Now over here where we cleaned it, it looks shiny, but this is the good remaining color. But listen to this. You don't hear nothing, okay? It's also squeaky clean. You know why? Because there's no wax in this product. This is a paint cleaner, not a wax. Now, after we clean it, what we want to do is we want to put some protection on there. Remember, the job of the cleaner, the Lukat Fix-It, is to remove this buildup, this old, ugly, oxidized paint. Now, I'm going to use a Lukat Easy Sealer Wax. It's an old school carnauba wax. This is designed to seal. It's a light duty polish too, both of these are, but they work good in tandem. Now this one, when you first put it on, do the circles. Go like this, work it into the paint, okay? And then bear off of it, and then just let it dry. Now carnauba leaves a nice, tough, glossy shell, okay? Again, remember, this is a paint cleaner, and this is a sealer. It's a two-step process, very simple. Guys, you only have to do this one time. Because the object here is not to make it shiny, believe it or not. It's simply to clean it, bring back the good paint, and then seal it. Now, if you like the way it looks and you're happy with that, you're fine. You can use the sealer wax as needed. But now, if you want to wax it, ceramic coat it, add more shine and pop, now you can do that. But remember, you don't want to wax over a dirty paint job. You don't even want to ceramic coat something like this. It would be better just to do that to this over here. So this fixes a problem. Your paint job's gonna last another 10, 15 years, no problem. This is a one-time thing, you just use it one time. So this is the Lukat Fix-It Paint Cleaner and the Lukat Easy Sealer Wax. Check us out at lukatdetail.com. This is for ugly paints, guys, okay? Now look at this one over here. This is an old clear coat. It's peeled and bleached right here. It doesn't matter, look how much we can bring back. Look at this one over here, okay? So again, these are designed for restoring old paint jobs. If your paint job is delaminated, it's destroyed, best thing to do is get it repainted, but you can use our products to reduce the ugly contrast. We're gonna make another video on a really ugly one, you'll see what I mean. So this video is about restoring old ugly paint jobs. Oh, let me tilt this so they can see this and get up close so that they can see the color on there. Get up close, yeah. Make sure to get up close. See that? Look how beautiful that came out. Wow, and that's permanent. Now imagine if you wax that, guys, okay? So this is the solution. All right, go ahead and cut and we'll start the next one.